It's another Lab AI success.
And this time we will show you what developers, creatives, and entrepreneurs built together during AutoGPT Arena Hacks. With technologies by AutoGPT, Weaviate, and MetaGPT. Avo Ninja, our best generalist agent, developed a versatile AI system capable of adapting to various tasks, setting a new standard for AI flexibility. ChatGPT, in the scrape and synthesize category, created a sophisticated tool for extracting and combining information from multiple sources, turning raw data into valuable insights. GhostCoder secured the first place in coding excellence with a cutting-edge AI algorithm that optimizes code efficiency. GPT Engineer, the second-place winner, engineered an advanced coding tool that enhances developer productivity. In Data Mastery, MLJar designed a powerful data analysis platform, providing deep insights and predictive capabilities, revolutionizing how we understand and utilize data. Ideation Agent, winner of the open-ended agent protocol category, created an AI framework that allows for the development of adaptive and responsive AI agents, pushing the boundaries of AI interaction. Are you ready to join the ranks of AI innovators? Your journey begins at the Lab AI, where imagination meets intelligence.